My name is Muhammad Shoaib and you are watching Shoaib Speaks. For those students who want to apply and who want to study in Europe, that video is quite excited for you because I will give you detailed information how to get Poland government scholarship, how to apply and how to fulfill all those necessary documents. So subscribe Shoaib Speaks and share it with your friends. So let's move toward application. First of all, you have to check your country name in this list. I will give you link in description. You just have to check either you are from that countries or not. If yes, then that video is just for you. So these are the number of countries who are eligible for that scholarship. First you have to check your name and then you have to check eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria means not be a citizen of Polish, be a citizen of country listed above, not be a Polish citizen, not have previously obtained a master degree, and not have previously been granted a scholarship under the program. Then necessary information is if you don't have IELTS, still you are eligible to apply for that scholarship. You can apply with English Proficiency certificate. You can apply with English Proficiency certificate, but if you have IELTS, it will increase your chances of nomination. Once you get information about your country and then you are eligible, let's move to our financial coverage. Means you will get monthly stipend around 1700 and also with such amount of money. And then you can move toward how to search your university. First step has to search your country name, then eligibility criteria, and then if you have English Proficiency certificate, if you have IELTS, well and good, not still you are eligible to apply with English Proficiency certificate. How to make English Proficiency certificate, I will give you link in description. You have to check that video and make your English Proficiency certificate. After that, your next step is to search your university name and note it down on a page because you have to enter that university information in online application. Let's suppose my course of study is journalism and media. If your field is other line administration, you just have to enter that information and search group journalism and social, and then you have to select. Once you select, after that you have to search, and then you can note all these number of universities. First you have to check the ranking, global ranking of that university and your field professor, and then you have to note down the name of university because you have to enter name of that university in online application. Okay, beside this site you can also search your relevant field university just by searching like civil engineering in Poland, mechanical engineering in Poland, petroleum engineering in Poland, and just note down the name of that university. Well and good. After that, your next turn is just by clicking what? By clicking link I will give you in description. When you open that link, you will get to this page. I will press English. If you are new, you just have to create account. You just have to enter your first name, surname, email address, and then agree, and then confirm. Then you will receive an email like that. You just have to press this link and you will get into this page, and then you will press login. Okay ji, first when you enter into login, you just have to enter program and then program in this fill out form. Okay, academic year, first you have to search because I already started that application. First you have to enter your country name, and then academic year 2020. Mohammed Shuaib, your first name, surname, gender, email address, phone number, date of birth, place of birth, city, country, father name, mother name, simple information, country of citizenship. Do you have a Polish citizenship? No. Passport number, current address, leave it empty. Emergency contact detail, your brother name or sister, our father, contact details, email address, plain study in Poland. It's really important part of your application. As I told you, you have to search your university. Let's suppose my field is civil engineering. My field is civil engineering, so I have to check civil engineering university. So you are observing civil engineering is offering by that university, so I have to check that university and website. Okay, after that I will check in the civil engineering that. Along with that, if you are putting information like mechanical engineering, you have to search your university here, prefer university. Also note this point that first of all, if you search, let's suppose that university and you enter that university, after that you have to check on official website of that university and fulfill all required criteria. Sometime it happens that in that website maybe IELTS is not required, you can apply with English Proficiency certificate, but for that specific field on university side it is mentioned that you have to submit IELTS. For that, then you have to fulfill criteria of that program on that particular university. So before starting that application, before filling that application, I will strongly recommend you to go and search relevant required documents list on university website. Well and good, you search your university, fulfill all those required documents, complete your documents, and then you have to enter your university name. Field of study, let's suppose my field is civil engineering. If my field is journalism, I will enter information of that university. Let's suppose it engineering in technical science. Scientific discipline, let's suppose it is civil engineering in transport. English, winter or summer, definitely summer or winter. You can enter your name of last university, mean my university is Butum's Quetta, let's suppose this. Field of study civil engineering. Year of graduation means if you're already graduated, enter date of graduation, and if it's expected that you will be graduated on that particular date, so you will enter that. Means if you are last year, still you are eligible for that scholarship. After that, obtain diploma, bachelor, engineer grade, your CGPA, and here you can also level of language proficiency according to the common. So you have to enter English language, speech, advanced, independent, definitely independent, or B2 because B2 is required. And if you have IELTS, well and good. Otherwise you can, if you don't have IELTS, you just have to enter documents confirming that your means in which classes were taught in English. If you don't have English Proficiency certificate, I will give you link in description. You have to watch that video and make your English Proficiency certificate. Okay ji. Then you have to enter, beside this, if you know any other foreign language like Polish, German, well and good. If you don't have anyone, leave it empty. Previous academic or professional stay in Poland or other country. If you have any relevant information or you studied in any European country or any other country, you have to enter that information. If yes, enter it. If no, leave it empty. That is really important part of that application. Proposal of master thesis. I already mentioned, means on many occasions, that for getting scholarship it is really important that you have to show some qualities in your application. You have to convince the reader that you have quality to avail that scholarship. You have quality to get that scholarship. So how you convince the audience, how you convince the reader, by putting necessary information related to that scholarship. So research proposal is really an important part for that application. The first section you have to write at least 300 word, like proposal of a master thesis topic means, let's suppose if I want to apply in civil engineering, so I have to write my master thesis topic, that on which particular topic I have to do research in my master degree. My own field is petroleum engineering, so my master thesis topic is, let's suppose, artificial lift intelligence, like Sakarat pump or any other interesting topic. So first I have to precise my topic in 300 word, which will be the thesis topic of my research proposal. It's important, compulsory. The second one is research problem and method, means how I will do my research, mean what will be my method, and necessary and most informative problem on which particular direction I have to work in my master degree. The first one is research problem. Let's suppose if I talk about my field, in case of artificial lift, we are facing a lot of problem in many field of Pakistan. So I will try to explain all those problem, and then also necessary information that how I will do my research. So it is not important that you are 100% accurate, but at least your research proposal will be written by yourself. You should not copy and paste it. You should enter all your necessary information. It will be around 3600 word. After that, additional material to the proposal master thesis. If you have any other calculation, drawing in projects, if you already did research on that area, so definitely you can add PDF form of that information. Attachment, first you have to add your passport page. English means scan it and upload it here. After that, your diploma means your degree. In case of applicants who are students of a final year of a first degree, at a time of submitting application, a scan of certificate from university with information about the plain date of graduation, mean those students who are in last semester, still they are eligible to apply for that scholarship, but you have to upload documents in which university official examination branch will mention that your expected date of graduation is that, and then you have to upload it here. In those students, the absence of 2-cycle program, a copy of diploma, master degree obtained not earlier than 2017 also keep this point in mind. And then you have to upload all necessary information. You have to just plus and upload your documents, and then English Proficiency certificate. English Proficiency certificate, if you have IELTS, it will increase your chances. If you don't have IELTS, still you can apply for that scholarship. After that, you have to accept, and then how did you learn about that program, Polish National Agency or any other website, my friends, Polish consulate or any other. So means this information is missing. So if I fulfill all these information, then I will submit my application. So that's all about the Poland Government Scholarship 2020-21. First, you have to check your country name. Then you have to check that either I am eligible or not. Then you have to search your university name, and then you have to check the official documentation on your university. Then you have to complete all those documents, and then you have to write research proposal, and then you have to make your English Proficiency certificate in case if you don't have IELTS, and then fulfill all these necessary information, fill form and submit it. So that's all about Polish Government Scholarship 2020-21. Still, if you have any question, you can ask in comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram, Shuaib Speaks PK. I will be happy to help you and assist you. In my future, I will bring a lot of necessary information like that. So keep supporting Shuaib Speaks. Take care. Bye bye.